Ever wondered how to dive into the world of affiliate marketing and emerge victorious? This is the place to be. Today, we delve into the beginner's guide to affiliate marketing success, a roadmap designed to set you off on the right foot in your online business. Firstly, let's demystify affiliate marketing and understand why it's a goldmine for beginners. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where you earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services. Why is it lucrative? It's simple: low startup costs, passive income potential, and the ability to work from anywhere. Now, onto the basics: affiliate networks, commissions, cookies, and tracking links. Affiliate networks act as intermediaries between affiliates and merchants, providing a platform where you can find products to promote. Commissions are your earnings, the percentage of a sale that you receive. Cookies are used to track sales, and tracking links are unique URLs that track the referral activity. Next, choose a profitable niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. It's crucial to select a niche you're passionate about, as this will fuel your content creation and audience engagement. Once you've selected your niche, it's time to research and select the right affiliate products or services to promote. Look for products with good reviews, high commissions, and a robust affiliate support system. The next step is building a strong online presence through a website, blog, social media, or YouTube channel. Your online platform is where you'll drive traffic, engage with your audience, and promote your affiliate products. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Create high-quality content that solves your audience's problems, provides value, and persuades them to purchase the products you're promoting. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is key to attracting organic traffic. Implement effective SEO strategies to rank higher in search engines and attract more visitors to your site. Engage with your audience through email marketing, webinars, and social media interactions. Building relationships with your audience boosts trust and increases the likelihood of conversions. Data analysis and performance tracking are crucial in optimizing your affiliate marketing campaigns. Use analytics tools to track your performance and make data-driven decisions. Lastly, scale your business by diversifying your income streams and collaborating with other affiliate marketers. This will help you create multiple sources of income and grow your business faster. Now that you've grasped the essential steps to go from zero to hero in affiliate marketing, the ball is in your court. Take action. Start implementing these strategies in your business. Remember, success doesn't just fall into your lap. It requires dedication and perseverance. Thank you for your time, and if you found this content valuable, show some love with a like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.